And this was the Infinity, meditation, which was downloaded to me by Archangel Metatron. And this is what I want to share with all of you on the Mystic Lotus team, with everybody who's here. So as I told you, it's a journey which is very beautiful, it's magical, but it's also very intense. So I want you all to be now in a zone, the next 7 minutes of your life, I really want, okay? I really humbly ask from each one of you, be with me completely, switch off, keep your phones aside, uh, take 3 deep breaths, and just settle down in a mode which is very beautiful, which is awesome to each one of you. A position which is about you. Just settle down, because now we will move on to a very, very important meditation, which is the infinity meditation.
Amazing.
So are you all ready, guys?
Yes, yes.
So I think thank you for, giving me this opportunity to sharing with all of you. So as I told you, the masters are already here. They will be with you for the next 5 minutes. And we will be all attuned to the infinity powers which are there. And I think this is the best way that we could actually start with the divine weight loss. What would happen is, after you undergo this meditation, infinite opportunities are going to open up for you, unlimited abundance. There'll be processes which will begin in the process. So I leave it now to the divine to take over on each one of us. And Neelu, I think I'll good to go.
Yes, please.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So everybody with me, what I really want you all to do is imagine the infinity symbol, right? And what would be coming up would be a short audio, okay, which is the meditation, which will show you the infinity symbol. And I'll just take a minute. Uh, for all of you who are with me, I want you all to focus on this part of your face, okay? And I want you to start off from here, and we will be having the infinity symbol going past us. Are you all with me?
Yes.
So it's a very simple thing, but it's a very, very deep thing, okay? So please be ready to really immerse into the infinity meditation. I request all of you to take wonderfully 3 deep breaths, relax your spine, relax yourself. If you're wearing your spectacles, you can take off your spectacles. And just focus on your third eye area, the upper part of your body. And now I move ahead for sharing the video with your permission, guys.
Visualize the symbol for infinity, like the number 8 on its side. Bring some sense of movement to that shape as you trace a path with your thoughts. Left, and right. Left and right. Left and right. Tracing the shape of infinity. Continue the movement. And as you pass through center, pause there a moment. The point where left and right meet. the still point. The 0 point. Silence. And begin the movement once more to the left, tracing the shape of infinity, passing through center to the right, through center to the left, through center to the right. Continue the movement. Restoring balance. Resting place for your mind. And once again coming to rest at center. Resting at the still point. The peace point.
Take your time. Take 3 deep breaths. Take your time. Continue deep breaths.
My finger just went here immediately because it feels like it's here now. It's here. It's just here. I feel energized, and at the same time, I just, you know what? I just want to put my head down in calm, and this is beautiful. I'm just gonna take a few seconds to just stay with this for a little longer, please, if I may have your permission and everybody else's. Oh,
You know, the beautiful fragrance which just passed right now. You all could see the video, guys. Huh?
yes,
Thank you.
yes.
So, if you've been able to internalize the symbol, and, I think I would just like to take a minute more, everybody. Everyone said, infinite is infinite, infinite possibilities, there's no end to it. And that is typically what would happen, guys. As I shared with you, spend some time, you start from you imagine
So,
the eight, even if you do it with your hand, you will feel the energy. And, as you keep on tracing, the infinity symbol, over time, you will see things changing in your dimensions. And this is actually what Archangel Metatron wants, not only him, many of the divine masters which are there right now. Uh, I even shared yesterday with Neelu, I can feel the energies of Master Buddha. So, those of you who are on the group, who are into the psychic, meaning, what is it you're feeling after this meditation? I'm sorry about, what happened, maybe that's what the
not at
divine
all.
wanted it to get downloaded. But, what is it you felt in this meditation? If you could just give me your feedback, what happens is then I'm able to really
It's already started
pick
pouring
it up.
in.
Okay.
There's
So that's
Nidhu says hypnotic, Homai said goosebumps. Preeti says felt some thrusting movement on the nostrils and lips middle part. Shilpa said, wow, there is something about the infinity sign, so powerful. Beena says pulsating. Preeti says also throat chakra vibrating. Radha says third eye is heavy and vibrating. Preeti Purval, I'm sorry, Asha says symbol alphabet 8. Rekha says heat and tightening on third eye and around nose. Sandhya says pressure on third eye. Neelu says can feel vibration on head and everywhere around. Bawal says she felt peaceful. She's given two butterfly symbols as well. Radha says, I saw a tree of life in my third eye, a vibrant tree with roots
wow.
going in my
Wow.
eyes. Monica says,
Amazing.
strong energy. Manish says, feeling heavy on my third eye. Radhika says, there was a spark. Delbert says, pressure on the third eye. Vartika says, my head moved in the infinity sign. Veena says, we were transported to another world. Teju says, third eye vibrating. Barbara says, powerfully centering. Smita says, light inside forehead. Shobha says, heavy. Kashmira says, relaxed. Sathi says, I feel heart vibrations. This is Vinita says calm, but feeling some vibrations in the head. Sathi also says that she saw fluorescent purple light. Swati Pandey says, my eyes moved very fast, making the infinity. Third eye vibration. Vanita says, Kashmira says, also felt Archangel Metatron. I can go on and on and on. Smita says, felt as if somebody was tickling me.
I love the comments which are coming. Barbara said I felt centered. Somebody said a pressure on the third eye. I just want you all to create this infinity symbol along with me, guys. Can you just cup in all your fingers, please, for me, everybody? Can you just do this for me, please, everyone? Oh, that's amazing. Can I see you all? And what I just want you all to do is feel the emotion of this lovely infinity. And do it at your pace. Don't rush. Breathe in as you create that symbol. Close your eyes. Just stop. And if you feel like taking it to your heart chakra or to your heart, just take it with your left hand in the Dhyan Mudra, like this. Just let it be open to the sky, receiving. That's the left hand, and this is the right. 2 minutes, just be there. Barbara, you can put your hand down on your thighs, or the way you're sitting, just make yourself comfortable. Monica, you can put your left hand, down you can put your hand down actually, the mudra down. And this mudra can come to your heart, or if you can take it to your throat, wherever you feel guided. Okay, I felt guided to take it straight to the heart. So I think for all the lovely, girls on the summit, thank you so much for being on this infinity meditation.